Hey there, come on in.
I'm Chef Edward Lee of 610 Magnolia and Nami in Louisville, Kentucky. Got a couple of James Beard noms, we've got some Bib Gourmands, we've got Esquire 50 Best. Just, I've been in this industry a long time. Originally, I'm from Brooklyn, New York. Now I live in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a long story, but after working in New York for most of my life, I was looking for a change. Came out to Kentucky Derby. Loved it, thought I'd stay for a few months, and that turned into 21 years. I'm very lucky to be partnering with Messermeister on the Forge Initiative. The charity that I am partnering with is actually my own charity. It's called the Lee Initiative. And the Lee Initiative is very near and dear to me. We work on equity and diversity issues in the restaurant industry. We do everything from relief to scholarships to mentorship programs, and we'll be soon opening a nonprofit restaurant for research.